Introduction to Natural Cycles.
Natural Cycles is a popular app that helps you track your menstrual cycle and ovulation using your daily body temperature. It's designed for individuals who want to understand their fertility patterns, whether for planning or avoiding pregnancy. In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to record your data and accurately interpret ovulation information within the app.
Setting up the Natural Cycles app.
After downloading the Natural Cycles app, create an account and enter your basic information such as your age, cycle length, and whether you plan to track for birth control or conception. The app will guide you through setup, and you'll need to have a reliable basal body thermometer ready for daily temperature readings.
Recording your basal body temperature.
Every morning, before getting out of bed, measure your basal body temperature using a thermometer. Open the app and enter your temperature in the designated field. Consistency is important. Try to take your temperature at the same time each day for the most accurate results. The app uses this data to analyze your fertile window.
Adding additional fertility indicators.
You can also log other fertility indicators in the app, like period days, cervical mucus consistency, and sexual activity. These extra details help Natural Cycles refine your ovulation predictions and fertility status, making the app's recommendations more personalized and accurate for your unique cycle.
Understanding app insights and ovulation days.
Natural Cycles processes your data and highlights predicted ovulation days and fertile windows. Check the app's calendar view for color-coded days. Green signals low fertility, while red or orange signals high fertility or ovulation days. Use these insights for your fertility goals and always read the explanations provided by the app for guidance.
Tips for accurate tracking and interpretation.
For best results, record your temperature every day, avoid skipping entries, and watch out for factors that may disrupt readings, such as illness or travel. Regularly update other symptoms or cycle events as needed. The more consistent your input, the more accurate and helpful the app becomes in tracking and interpreting your ovulation data.